We are in Southeast South Carolina, and our outside potted ferns are turning brown. What should we do? Two awesome kids on YouTube. I like that. All
Yeah,
right.
love that name.
Yes. So in South Carolina, but they're outside. The ferns are outside and they're turning brown. So what do you think may be causing that?
So my first question would be, what kind of fern is it?
Okay.
Is it an annual, a tropical fern that cannot handle cold weather?
Okay.
Because it may be, if it's a Boston fern, and if they've recently had a cold spell, that it may be that it's frozen, and that would make the plant turn brown.
Sure.
Or it may be, if it's a perennial fern, it may have gotten so big that it's become pot bound and it's struggling. In any case, I would suggest cutting it back and then possibly dividing it as well to see what's going on with the roots. And if it's divided and repotted and cut back, then you can just keep an eye on it and see if it starts pushing out new fronds. Hopefully in Southeast South Carolina, doesn't sound like it would have gotten too terribly cold. So it may be able to come on back, even if that was a little cold snap that got the leaves. What would you think?
No, so I agree with many of your points. Something else we didn't cover. How about light situation? Right? Could it be getting too much, sunlight, which would cause those fronds to brown like that, right? Especially as you get deeper down into that pot. Right. So that's something I thought about. And then secondly, I know it's potted, maybe too much moisture, maybe.
Depending on the pot, right? Yeah. Especially some people use decorative pots that may not have a drainage hole.
May not.
So if it's sitting in water, especially over the winter, it's not growing as fast. So that winter is a prime time for root rot. If a plant is staying wet in a pot, that could be the issue.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.